This is the Morrison County Food Shelf Fundraiser Weekly Update. Well, you've been busy bringing in your canned goods, dry packaged foods, and money, and your teachers have been busy tallying up your points. Well, who is the top class for week number 4? It is Mrs. Varner's 5th graders, bringing in 98 points of items. That's awesome. A sweet treat will be delivered to your classroom today. And at Lincoln Elementary, how many items have we all brought in together? 435. That is fantastic. Thank you for bringing in those items so that nobody in Morrison County goes hungry, but instead can have a full tummy. And with 435 points of items, that is awesome. Remember to drop down into the foyer and watch those food items grow and grow and grow. And at Lincoln Elementary, how many have we all brought in together? Let's find out. The first 3 weeks is 1,384 plus this week, 435 equals 1,819. That is fantastic. You should be very proud of yourself. And how is Mr. Edgerton going to make it all the way to the food shelf with all these items? With one more week to go, he's getting pretty nervous. This is the Morrison County Food Shelf Fundraiser Weekly Update.